Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking constraints. Right-click the taskbar and clear lock the taskbar if set, because that blocks movement. Once done, open settings using Start or press Windows plus I so you're in the correct control panel. Make sure a mouse or touchpad is connected. Without input, you can't drag. You'll use the taskbar settings shortly, so keep the settings window visible. This first action sequence removes immediate blockers and places you where you can change alignment, behavior, and multi-display options. You navigate to Personalization then Taskbar, because that's where position and alignment live. On modern Windows, choose Taskbar Alignment and set it to left or center as needed, then look for Position settings. Older versions show Taskbar Location on screen, choose Bottom. If the UI lacks explicit position controls, unlock the taskbar and drag it to the bottom. Click an empty section, hold, then pull downward until it snaps. Make sure Auto Hide is off to see the change immediately. You finish by locking the taskbar to secure its new bottom position. Right-click and select Lock the taskbar so it won't shift. If the taskbar resists moving, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. This refresh often resolves UI glitches. Make sure display scale and monitor arrangement aren't forcing a different taskbar position. Rearrange monitors in display settings if necessary. If problems continue, sign out and back in, because that clears session-level issues and will apply the final taskbar placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.